Hey, this is Will from LifterLMS. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a specific problem that some of the LifterLMS users have reported, and that's where the course options and access plans end up over here in the sidebar, and you can't get them back over into this main content area here. Now, our developers let me know this isn't a bug with LifterLMS, but rather a bug with WordPress and how it handles meta boxes at the moment. And there's a forum currently going on between plugin developers and WordPress developers on how to go about fixing this. But in this video, I'm going to show you a quick fix that you can use in the meantime to get these boxes back over into the center of your page. So if we take a quick look at what's going on here, in the WordPress editor, you have this area with your blocks. This is the content area of the page, and then you have these items on the sidebar and these items on the bottom, which are called meta boxes. And so you can drag these meta boxes into the center area here or into the sidebar. And WordPress is moving in the direction of having all of these boxes over on the sidebar, whereas previously you saw a lot more under the content area with the old classic editor. And the classic editor is actually how we'll solve this problem here today. So there's an old classic editor plugin, and we can install that plugin to fix the issue we're seeing here. So let me head back out to the WordPress admin area. I'm going to go to Plugins, Add New, and I'm going to look for the Classic Editor plugin. And you could search it up, but it also happens to be one of the top used plugins right now, so we can just install it right here. It actually is the first result, funny enough. So let me install and activate that. And what this is going to do, when I go back into my course, is it's going to give me this old editor layout with the meta boxes formatted as they used to be. Now what I can do is drag this all the way down, and let me change my course options real quick. With this editor area here, I can modify full length editing, so it's going to make it a little easier for me to drag these into the correct position. There we go. So I can bring all these meta boxes that I want back over here, course options, bring it there, and then let me minimize some of these fields. I can bring some of these over to the sidebar. Let's bring most of this stuff over to the sidebar. Custom fields. So there we go. So now I have all of my meta boxes exactly where I want them under the content area. And of course I can reorganize these. If I wanted to maybe put student management at the bottom, course options on top, and there we go. So now that I've organized my meta boxes the way that I want them, I can deactivate the Classic Editor plugin, and I'll be back to the editor I'm looking for. So I'm here, I have the block editor, but then if I scroll all the way to the bottom, the course options, access plans, and student management are back over here in the center. Eventually this will be fixed in a future version of WordPress, but for now, that's a solution you can use to move the boxes back over.